We have delivered additional provisions to the Carnival Triumph. That happened last night, and the ship is in excellent shape now and will be fully provisioned to provide all the food services for the guests, certainly by the time the ship docks later this evening. We did also deliver one additional small generator to the ship, and this generator was helpful mostly last night in providing some extra power and allowing us to provide additional hot food service.
She texted this morning at 4:30, said the room smelled like an outhouse, no air conditioning, and no restroom for 3.5 days.
And what about food?
She didn't say anything about food. I don't know what about food is. She didn't say anything about it. I don't have any bad feelings for you. I don't understand why I don't have any backup system for something this to happen. I mean, if something goes bad, they need to have some kind of backup system where they can limp in anyway.
She sounded pretty good, but I could tell she was down and out. But she said, you know, Mother, we've made the best of this.
Definitely concerns, you know, absolutely concerned. We've been not trying to hold Carnival completely responsible. We understand there's accidents. We just kind of feel like there should have been some better plans put in place.
Most of the guests will be boarding motorcoach transportation, going to New Orleans to stay in a hotel tonight to get a hot meal, to relax, and we've arranged for a very large bank of charter flights for Friday that will take them back to Houston. And then there'll be ongoing transportation for them from Houston. If they have their car parked in Galveston, we'll be providing that transportation to Galveston to get them back to their car.